What would you say if I told you that there's a tea hidden deep in the remote wilds of Africa that one small-town woman from Alabama uncovered that can promote intense metabolism boosts and can even eliminate the most persistent fat? And beyond that, it'll also practically eliminate any food cravings throughout the entire day while still keeping you energized from sunrise to sunset? Take a look at Liz's astounding transformation below. After a difficult pregnancy, she shed more than 40 pounds in just a few weeks, all by drinking this rare and exotic tea, shocking her husband and all of her friends. Actually, Liz was so embarrassed of her body before she lost all this weight that she used to get ready for bed in the dark, just so her husband wouldn't be able to see all the extra pounds she'd put on. That is, until she heard stories about an unbelievable tea crafted by African shamans that powerfully and naturally detoxifies your body, clears out your organic fat-burning zones of harmful toxins and other destructive elements, free radicals, heavy metals that are keeping you sick, fat, and sluggish, and even revitalizes your body's natural weight loss abilities permanently. It's a truly astounding tale, and you can discover the whole thing by clicking here. Uncover the exotic red drink that let Liz lose over 40 pounds in just weeks. See the link.